So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to cook a delicious turkey in the oven. Perfect for the holiday dinners. So first, preheat your oven to 325 Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius. Then, prepare your turkey by patting it dry with paper towels. This helps the skin get nice and crispy. Then, season your turkey inside out with salt, pepper, and any herbs you like thyme, rosemary, or sage. If you want, add some garlic and lemon inside the cavity for extra flavor. Then, place your turkey breast side up on the rack in a roasting pan. If you have a meat thermometer, insert it in the thickest part of the thigh without touching the bone. Now place the turkey in the oven and roast it for about 15 to 20 minutes per pound. Baste the turkey every 45 minutes with the pan juices to keep it moist. Then, once the thermometer reads 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius in the thickest part of the thigh, it's done. Take it out of the oven and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes before carving. And that's it. A perfectly roasted turkey ready to serve.